Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the verification required issue on the App Store, step by step, in a very simple and easy way. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where you can manage all your Apple ID and App Store settings. Once the Settings app opens, tap on your Apple ID profile icon at the top of the screen. This will open your account settings. From the list of options, tap on Payment and Shipping. Here you can manage your payment methods and billing information. Now, either add a new payment method or update your existing one. Make sure all the details are correct to resolve the verification required issue. And that's it. This is how you can fix the verification required issue on App Store Italy. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Solution Lab. Also, comment below if you want more iPhone and App Store tips and tutorials.